Hi guys, Joseph here. Today we're doing another Joseph car video, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your rear door panel window switch bulb. I picked a new door card up and I realised there's no light in that window switch. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to replace it. And let's get down to the car right now. Right guys, first and first, to do this door panel is before you want a T20 Torx. I'm not going to bother the window this time. Just get that, push that in with a screwdriver, and now the simple bit is pop all these rivets in. Just like before. That's in. Do these upper ones. That's in. Now, pop all these out. Second time I've taken the door card off of a car, if you've seen the previous film. Second time I've taken this off. Done this before. It is starting to rain, but we're just going to keep going. It's only spitting. Not meant to rain till tomorrow, guys. Just drop that. So right guys, let's get this off. You can tell if you're watching this film, I've definitely taken one of these off before. And now this comes off. Quite a relatively easy job on these. That's what I like about this car, it's easy to work on. That's what makes this car a good car. Nice and easy. It's got two bottom ones to pop out. Here you go. One more clip to remove. Here you go. That's that done. Now I've got to do the T20 Torx. Find my T20. So now that's the T20 Torx bolt. First, got to remove this panel clip from top. That's that out. Now, well, we need our Torx here. Let's find my T20 here. I think they're Phillips. find the tape. Let's just find the T20. That's 25. This is it. 220. Screwdriver. It's also got a switch this one to switch away its turn. Just same as before, guys. If you can see, I'm doing a little T20 Torx bolt in here. And what? Drop lock button down. Lift out. Same as also, I might just pop the one. If you can see, guys, I'll just point this bit to you. Sorry, guys. There you go. Pop this out. Pop those two. Also, as this connects in the way, we're just going to pop this out now. That's out the way for now. So pop these two clips out there, push those two out like this. I'm going to have to pause so I can do it, alright? So I'll be back in a second now. Now guys, I fully detached it. Now I'm just going to go and bring this indoors and do the bulb, right now. Right guys, this is the bulb. Similar to ignition one, except it's got a green end to it. Same size bulb, but same as that ignition one, except it's got a green end. See, I'm going to go and pop indoors and then I'll see you in there, right now. So right guys, I've got a door mods on my tail. I want to bring you up close here. So here it is. So what you want to do is pry up, then get a screwdriver. I'm doing this one-handed, by the way. Kind of got two hands. So then pry that side, then pry this. There it goes. That's that out. There you go. And get the screwdriver. Here you go, just drop that out. So then get this, drop this in. Pry that in. That's that in. That's in. Now, slot it back in. It's very funny to get thingies in. So just put that in at that angle, push up. Here we go. There it is. So right guys, here you go. Check that I can work it. Seems okay. Then I'm ready to put this back in the car. So I'm going to pause until we get to the car. Right guys, we're back to the car. Ready to slot this thing back in there. So first is reconnecting the door handle cable, which I'm just going to really show you in detail. Yeah. Sorry about that guys. So right is, as you can see very well, see it's all aligned. Aligned well. Slotted that in. then slot that in. Get that connector, slot it. So now you've got to align that up with that. Someone slot this up. So just help me align it. There you go. Let's check that this actually now works. That works. Let's check that it lights up before we put this fully back together. So I'm going to go and switch the ignition on a sec. And then we'll have a look and see if it lights up. And then I'm going to pause while I turn the electrics on and I'll be back any second now. Let's see if this window switch lights up. I look carefully, it's lit up. It lights up. So now we can put this back together. I'm going to pause while I turn everything off and I'll be back. Right guys, I'm back. We need to get our screw now. Here it is. Get the T20 Torx screw. Just hand tighten it in a couple. Kind of. Now guys, I'm just going to align this in. I'm going to put you on my head and I'll be back any second now. So right guys, I'm going to start tightening this in. I'm going to get it in a couple and I'm just going to turn the way it goes. So now it should tighten up. I'm in trouble, guys. I'm going to pause because I'm having trouble here. I'm going to tighten it in a couple of turns. Oh, that's why it's not going in, because the hole's not there. There you go, it's because I didn't align it properly. There you go, it's tightening up now. There you go, guys. I'm going to tight. I haven't put it on too tight there. I need to get it snug. You don't want to tighten it up too much, guys. So now, just get the little cap on. There you go. And now the final is just get the clips. Pop it out. Pop it in it goes. And I'm going to do that for the rest, and I'm going to pause for the rest of them, and I'll be back when I'm done. Right, now, once you put those clips in, you're complete, guys. All you got left to do is, that's it. You just shut the door and that's you're done. So yeah, that's it. So we're gonna go and end this film off. Right guys, just gonna end off this video. Please go follow me on Instagram at Joseph Cars for all my behind the scenes footage. Also, go follow me on Twitter at Joseph Cars as well. And please give this video a thumbs up. and consider subscribing to the channel and leave a comment below to tell me what you thought, and have a nice day.